That goes upstairs. Thank you. This is day 11, and we are back in the River Arts District after being away for a few days. We are finally getting the remaining original pieces of artwork out of Daniel's gallery. This one's downstairs. No, don't take this one. Who was kind enough to hold all this stuff for us, not only while we start the remediation at our building, our business building, but while we deal with the tragedy of flooding and molding at our home. So we are finally back, and we're going to do some inventory. I'm going to try to get stuff up on my website as soon as I can, once I can clear that the painting is in good shape and is available to be brought home to somebody.